So in today's video we are going to talk about a topic that I used to, it was really curious that whether or not you can live off copy trading, like just invest in copy trading, secure the profit, and can you make a living out of it. I was really interested in that when I started copy trading, and I'm gonna share my thoughts with you, okay, whether or not you can live off copy trading, and you guys can decide that your opinion. Okay, so when I started copy trading, as you can see, this is my start. I was getting a lot of profit for a couple of weeks. I did gain a lot of profit, and as you can see, there are some losses, but not enough to make me think that I'm losing some money. I was just gaining the profit. Sorry for the voice. My voice isn't. I'm not feeling well today. Okay, so as you can see here, the main person who gave me profit was slow profit. He gave me a profit of 0.24, as you can 0.1.64, $6.14, $1.28. And remember, I just invested $20 in it. I just invested $20, not more than that, and I doubled my money in just a couple of weeks, just 2 weeks I think so, or less. I just doubled my money from 20 to 40% that's 100% return in just a week. It's a couple of weeks. Okay, that's a lot of return. And I'm just gonna show you here. There are a lot of profit. I'm just gonna go up, and then they started going down, like from here. Wait a second. Yeah, like here, as you can see, the slow profit gave me minus 1.34, 0.83, 0.02, and everybody was going down. And that's not the thing, like they can go down, just like stock market, they have good days and bad days. This is forex is more risky. You can have very good days and very bad days. A trader can have a very good month, a very bad month, and they were having, most of the traders at that time was having bad bad day. And I lost 50% of my profit. Like I invested $20, I get $40, and then I lost $10 in a day. So I invest I lose 50% of my profit in just one day, and that is 1 week of work. I mean, just investing and taking profit. So there are profit in copy trading. There is profit in copy trading. Sorry, but at the end of the day, you'd never know when there is a bad day or good day. You are not controlling anything. You can just hope for the best. Invest in copy trading. Just invest the money you are able to lose. Like if I started investing right here, I will be like, the copy trading is scam. This app is scam. You can't make money out of it because I'm losing all my money. Uh, as I started right down there, I know that we can make money. They're just having a bad week. So maybe if I invest, yeah, you see my videos. A couple of videos I make the profit on FPS copy trading at day 1, day 2. You are like, yeah, this guy's making profit. We're gonna go ahead and see. And when you open the app, you start losing your money, and you were like, no, this guy was scam. No, just traders have good and bad days. A trader can have a bad day, bad month, or even bad week. You can have anything. So it's not possible, in my opinion, it's not possible to live off copy trading, because you never know when you're going to lose your money, and you never know when you're going to gain some money. That's the reason why I think that you can't make a living out of copy trading. You can just do copy trading. I think is one of the best way to create some passive income. Like just invest your money that you can lose, and take the profit, and whenever you have lost, just go on with it and keep the track of the trades you are taking. I'm just gonna try and show you an example of these are the favorite traders that I copy. As you can see, most of them are green. This one 80, I just and these are the red one, 54% loss, as you can see, and 0.25%, and most of them are green. So let me show you. This is the one of the top traders on this app. As you can see, he have 2,661 copiers at the moment. I'm gonna go ahead on his return rate, and I'm gonna go to 12 month. As you can see, when I started investing, he was like, I was starting investing right here. I was getting some profit right here, and then he had a massive down. He I think I had invested about $10 to $20 with him and I lose all of my money because he just have a massive drop down. So this can happen. Always keep in mind that you can lose all of your money in copy trading, and you can also gain a lot of money in copy trading. This is the thing. As you can see now, he didn't lose money for like 12 months. He was doing good for a whole 12 months, and then just had a massive drop down, and the trader who were copying him are just gonna lose his money. As you can see, you could have just taken profit at any of these time. You 451, 452% return. These are a lot of returns. Okay, and now he's recovering back, and if I were you, I will still copy him, because if he did some kind of mistake, he would have learned from it. And as I know, he's not one of the biggest, he's the biggest trader on this app, FVS Copy Trading. And yep. So the answer to the question that can you make a living out of copy trading, I don't think so. You can make a living. You can create some profit. You can just generate some passive income. Easy. I think this is one of the easiest way to do it. But I wouldn't suggest you try and make a living out of it. Yeah. With that being said, I hope you guys like the video. If you do, just give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.